Anamika drives 30 kilometers south. So understand this direction problem carefully. This is the original position for Anamika. She drives 30 kilometers towards south. Then understand what I am doing. Let me consider this as the south. So I'll just move around and show you where is my right direction. That's really important to catch. So this is 30. Now the hand in which I have the pen is my right. So this would be my right. Okay. So this would move this side and then it would drive how much? 60 kilometers. Now she's in this direction. From here again my pen, which is my right hand. So I take a right, drive 30 kilometers. Okay. So that would be again 30 kilometers. Now she from here finally drives 10 kilometers to the left. Now from here, this is my right, this is my left. 10 kilometers towards the left. How far she is from the starting point? 60 plus 10. So this region would be 60. 60 plus 10 is 70. So my correct answer here is 70. Understand this very carefully. Now what is important? As I did, I moved around. You cannot do it when you are in an exam hall. So just keep an idea with your hand. So if you are a right-hander, you have the pen in your right, then understand the directions first. So Anamika is going south, so going downwards. Now if I am going downwards, this side would be my right. If I am going southwards, this side would be my right. Okay, so it's opposite. So when I am traveling north, this becomes my right. When I am traveling south, this becomes my right. That's how you would have to actually visualize. Do it couple of times, practice few questions and you will get an insight how to adjust this and understand this. Clear? So really important question. The next is a coding decoding problem. So I